Hansen, go.yeswilliam.com. I told you the last video that I was going to do some research and find some funnel builders for WordPress. Well, I did that. Found 3 of them actually. One of them was because I had bought into a program, and it's included in this, but it can be bought externally and probably is just as good as any of them out there. This is my dashboard in WordPress. Now the 3 of them, Profit Builder, CartFlow, and Elementor. Now I've installed all 3 of these on there. The one I'm going to be using is Profit Builder, but I want to show you the other 2 first. Profit Builder, I got the full show on. CartFlows and Elementor, I got the free version on that. So CartFlow, when you go to CartFlow, go to Flows, you see how it's set up here. In order to build a funnel, their pages are called flows. So you got to go from add new. You can import or export them also. Hopefully what I'm going to be trying to do is import the funnels that I got on ClickFunnels in here with that, or maybe, I don't know whether Profit Builder has an import button or not, but anyway, this is, you go to Flows, here's your templates for building funnels. You can preview all these pro ones if you want to, but you're not going to be able to use one. The ones that you're going to be able to do with are these 4 here, or build your own. So it's got to build your own. You just design your flow. But in the ready-made templates, this is how it looks when you, this is how a template looks here. You got to download these things in. This is how your template looks. You download it in, you can edit all these things out and make your funnel however you want to. See, and it's got different features, the call to action button, the headlines, whatever course you got. This is what your funnel is going to look like. Now, it's definitely not a landing page funnel. This has got your checkout on it and everything. But a landing page where you're trying to get their email address, this is not. Then you got Elementor. I bet that's how you're supposed to say it. Getting started. Now you got to download these to be able to, and then activate them to be able to use them. Here is create your first page. Now they got a getting started you need to watch. Creating your first page and get the full guide. Now get the full guide, I'm pretty sure, is going to be pro version, but get your first page. As soon as everything gets through. So here you got, this is my blog and my pages so far. So you can design, got all your publishing designs here, you push button editors and all that stuff. So you want to drag a widget, you want to take it, and I got Messenger on mine too, so you might do that. But it's got everything you need to do it that way, making your, when you get done, you push publish. Now, the one that I've got the full version of is Profit Builder, and there is a website for this, and I'll show you all 3 websites in a second too. Profit Builder. You want to create a funnel, you want to build a page. Create a funnel. Templates. Now, look at all the different kinds of templates you got, and there's lots of them. You install one of these and you can go in and edit all the moving parts in it and the pages and everything. So you got, and this is Profit Builder. And just like, well, in WordPress, you don't even get a blank, I don't think, to start with. I mean, in ClickFunnels, you don't even get a blank, I don't think, to start with. You just have to start building your funnel straight up. But if you look at some of these templates, I mean, they're good templates to work with. Easy enough. You just got to put your own words in them. This is cart flows. The pricing. See how they got their thing here too with Messenger. All you got to do is, did you see with cart flows? $2.99 a year for Pro. But you can build your funnels and you get, it's fully featured, unlimited carts and flows, and their pages are called carts. Premium templates, enhanced WooCommerce checkout, which you use WooCommerce if you're going to have a physical product in the store on WordPress. If you're going to have like an Amazon store on WordPress, it's similar. Well, you can download the Amazon plugin too, but there's a WordPress checkout. This is Elementor. Elementor is $49 a year for one site, $99 a year for 3 sites, and $199 a year for 1,000 sites. So if you're going to have a bunch of pages, bunch of funnels, you need more than. But look at the difference in them. You know, you got the same widgets, the same templates, the theme builder, the WooCommerce builder, pop-up builder, and support for a year, and updates for a year. You get all of everything the same. It's just the difference is the sites that you're using. Then we get over to Private Builder, the Pro plan, $67.67 for 50 personal sites. These are only sites you own and run. You get a drag and drop builder, 130 plus high converting templates, unlimited visitors, dedicated optimized theme, 100% mobile responsive, speed optimization, SEO, 100 plus new features and tweaks, integration everywhere, free support and updates. In the Pro, you get Smart Cart, split testing, and funnel builder plus analytics. So the thing that you're going to want, the best one is the Pro one. $67.67 is a whole lot better than $97 a month, though, isn't it? And there's one other option you got. It's the reason for this. This is an app on Warrior Plus. You can build dynamic looking profitable funnels all in mere minutes without the need of any technical skills, outsourcing, paying high price web designers ongoing monthly fees. Now, this is called Funnels Kit. I'm not an affiliate of this, I'm just showing it to you. Not affiliate yet. I have asked for it, don't know if I'm going to get it or not. But this gives you a full thing. Let's get to the price. Where'd the price go? Okay, you saw the $100, and you get $31 off right now. Use coupon FK discount, so it's going to cost you $69. And this is one time, and every one of them, you're going to need to own your website or websites. Gives you an idea of what your options are. So ClickFunnels, $97 a month, gets kind of rich looking at that, don't it? Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I've got to do some editing, obviously, but after I get done with it, I'm going to give this out to you, and I'm not an affiliate on any of these things yet. I am going to try and get affiliate on Funnel Kit and Profit Builder. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a link to them in my description. I'm not an affiliate, but I'm going to put in a link down there if you want to get these. You know what Warrior's got. You know what you can get. Warrior, you don't have to have WordPress to do that. It still beats ClickFunnels or any other funnel builder. One time, $69, and one time you got it. With the others, you'll be doing that on WordPress, and WordPress for $67, I think, was Profit Builder, and you got everything you need there. So for $67 with WordPress and $69 without WordPress, and you got what you need. I hope this has helped you to just see that there's other ways to go than just paying high prices for funnels. We can save us some money to spend on other things. If we save it from building funnels, we're not going to, until we get deeper into this, we're not going to be needing a whole bunch of funnels anyway. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell so you get future notifications, and share, because everybody needs to know about this. And next video, I'm going to try and import funnels from ClickFunnels account into Profit Builder so we can see how that works. Actually, I'm going to do it first and record it while I'm doing it, and we'll see if it works. I'll post the video. If it don't, then I'll figure out some other way to do it. Maybe just build the funnel like a normal funnel, just like they did in the beginning, instead of importing it. Okay, have a great day.